Welcome to UXL, where you can learn new skills anytime and anywhere. Visit uxl.com to explore our full course selection. This lesson is part of a larger course. Check the video description below for a link to the full course where you can enroll. If you enjoy our content, please like and subscribe. For your convenience, the course cover displayed on your screen provides the complete course title and lesson title. Let's proceed with the lesson. Lesson: Introduction to Supply Chain Sustainability. Supply chain sustainability is a critical component of modern business strategy, reflecting a growing recognition of the interconnectedness between economic, environmental, and social factors in global supply chains. With increased awareness of the environmental impact of business operations, companies are being held accountable for the sustainability of their supply chains. This accountability is not only driven by regulatory requirements, but also by consumer demand for ethical and sustainable practices. As businesses strive to enhance their sustainability credentials, the role of supply chain professionals becomes pivotal in integrating sustainability into every aspect of the supply chain. Sustainability in supply chains primarily involves managing resources efficiently to reduce waste, minimize carbon footprints, and ensure ethical labor practices. This holistic approach requires supply chain professionals to assess the environmental and social impacts of their operations and devise strategies that align with sustainable development goals. A sustainable supply chain is not just about reducing harm, but also about creating long-term value for the business, society, and the environment. The principles of supply chain sustainability are deeply rooted in the concept of the triple bottom line, which emphasizes balancing economic growth with environmental stewardship and social equity. This model encourages businesses to not only focus on financial performance, but also consider their ecological and social responsibilities. By adopting a triple bottom line approach, companies can achieve a competitive advantage, improve risk management, and enhance their corporate reputation. One of the essential elements of supply chain sustainability is the effective management of resources to minimize environmental impact. This involves implementing green logistics practices, such as optimizing transportation routes, using fuel-efficient vehicles, and adopting renewable energy sources. Green logistics not only reduces carbon emissions, but also lowers operational costs, thereby enhancing the overall efficiency of the supply chain. Furthermore, sustainable sourcing is crucial, which involves selecting suppliers based on their environmental and ethical practices. By partnering with responsible suppliers, companies can ensure that their products are made using sustainable materials and processes, thereby reducing their environmental footprint. Another critical aspect of supply chain sustainability is ensuring ethical labor practices across the supply chain network. This includes promoting fair wages, ensuring safe working conditions, and prohibiting child labor. Companies are increasingly being scrutinized for their labor practices, and any violations can lead to severe reputational damage. To mitigate such risks, supply chain professionals must conduct regular audits and collaborate with suppliers to ensure compliance with labor standards. This not only enhances the ethical standing of the business, but also contributes to the social well-being of workers across the supply chain. The importance of transparency and traceability in sustainable supply chains cannot be overstated. Consumers today demand greater visibility into how products are sourced, manufactured, and delivered. By leveraging technology such as blockchain and RFID, companies can provide real-time data on product origins and movements, thereby enhancing transparency and building consumer trust. Traceability not only helps in verifying the sustainability claims of products, but also aids in identifying and addressing any inefficiencies or unethical practices within the supply chain. Incorporating sustainability into supply chain operations also involves fostering innovation and collaboration. Companies must invest in research and development to discover new sustainable materials and processes that can reduce environmental impact. Moreover, collaboration with stakeholders, including suppliers, customers, and regulatory bodies, is vital in driving sustainability initiatives. By working together, stakeholders can share knowledge, resources, and best practices, thereby accelerating the transition towards more sustainable supply chains. The integration of sustainability in supply chains also brings significant business benefits. A sustainable supply chain can enhance brand reputation, attract environmentally conscious consumers, and lead to increased market share. Additionally, companies can achieve cost savings through improved resource efficiency and waste reduction. Furthermore, sustainable practices can help mitigate risks associated with environmental regulations and supply chain disruptions, thereby ensuring business continuity and resilience. Despite the numerous benefits, the journey towards supply chain sustainability is not without challenges. Companies often face barriers such as high initial costs, lack of expertise, and resistance to change. To overcome these challenges, it is essential for organizations to foster a culture of sustainability that permeates every level of the business. This involves providing training and resources to supply chain professionals, setting clear sustainability goals, and aligning incentives with sustainable outcomes. By embedding sustainability into the corporate strategy, companies can ensure that their supply chain operations are aligned with their long-term sustainability objectives. In conclusion, supply chain sustainability is a multifaceted and dynamic aspect of modern business that requires a strategic and integrated approach. By focusing on environmental stewardship, ethical practices, and transparency, companies can create sustainable supply chains that deliver value to all stakeholders. As the demand for sustainable business practices continues to grow, supply chain professionals play a crucial role in driving the sustainability agenda and ensuring that their organizations remain competitive and resilient in the global market. Embracing sustainability in supply chains is not just a moral imperative, but also a strategic necessity that can lead to long-lasting economic, environmental, and social benefits. This concludes the lesson. We trust you found this video informative and engaging. To enroll in the complete course, please use the link provided in the description below. At UExcel, we are committed to your learning journey. Each course offers a certificate of completion, online support, and downloadable resource files to enhance your experience. If you found our content valuable, we invite you to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to supporting your continued pursuit of knowledge.